It's hot pot night. Come on. We're gonna do two flavors because some like spicy, some don't. So we're gonna do this sukiyaki, which I've never had. It came in the pot. And then this hot and spicy. Also, we're gonna do some beef rolls. And I got this myriad of vegetables. And then we're also going to put in some of these fresh nudes. Let's get it all set up. Just took this out. It looks like the devil's brew. This is the setup for tonight. So we're gonna add about 4 cups, approximately, to the Instant Pot. This is gonna be the hot one because, woo! And then we're gonna add to our little guy over here some more water. Perfection. You did good, kid. All of this going in there. And that's only 4 cups of water, but I think we could probably add a little more. He tried to taste it. He said it's not hot at all. Then it hit. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Did it smell taste on this?
This was really good, guys.
All right. Now this is gonna be our non-spicy base. Right in there. Oh.
It's dark.
Wow. All right. Give that a. Oh wow. Here we go. I think that we're definitely gonna have a cleanup on our table here. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger and a little bit of sesame oil in both, just to give it a little razzle dazzle. Just a little bit. It's not like rocket science. You can't mess it up. All right, we can start there. All right, a little ginger. Nice. Now it's some sesame oil.
Indeed, it's not.
Nice. Okay. Nice. All right, now we're gonna sprinkle a little garlic in there. Nice, nice, nice. A little garlic in here. Nice, nice, nice. Perfect. Now we stir. Oh, that's looking good.
Smelling good.
Yeah. Now stir, stir, stir. Perfect. Got our meats. We're gonna assemble everything on this tray. I put down some wax paper, and I think it'll be good to just have a tray where everything lives. Set up. We have some dumplings. We have mushrooms. We have cabbage. We have some larger mushrooms, enoki mushrooms. We have baby bok choy. We have fresh pasta. We have green onions, and we have the hot pot that is non-spicy, and we've added our own extra flavors in. We have our hot as fire. You can see it looks so red bubbling. Hot pot. And then we have our setups with the bowls, dipping sauces, and long chopsticks for a dipping. This heats up so fast, and it literally sounds like a jet. We are hot potting. And so, babe, you've never hot potted, right?
No.
Actually, I don't think anyone in the family has hot potted.
Not yet.
So, here's the setup. Oh, you guys can't even see the little hot pot right here, but she's boiling. They're all boiling. So, from what I know, which is nothing, you are supposed to put in things that take the longest, like vegetables, like the bok choy and things like that first, and then the last thing is usually the carb, because the noodles don't take a lot of time and you don't want them to be soggy. So mushrooms and all that stuff, you kind of put them in and you let them marinate. So put all the things in there that you want first. Extra long. Oh yeah, these are, oh gosh, what I got these are my cooking chopsticks, and I'm always like, Wingardium Levioso. Trying to get the spicy. So far we put in some dumplings, we put in some meat, we put a little air thing. First dip of le meat. Oh my goodness gracious. Mmm. It's so good.
It burned.
Wow. Now she just burnt yourself to pieces.
Burned.
Wait, should I?
I don't think they understand the concept of hot pot. They keep saying it's so hot and they keep burning
You don't
themselves.
mean spicy, it's hot.
No, I mean like
Should I try
hot.
with the sauce?
I didn't
Okay.
get interested.
You just got it. You literally, we had our first
Casualty.
casualty of the soup pot.
Josh,
Has
need help?
just pelted.
What did you
But
grab?
a killing on this tray, and it was full. These two.
Trying to grab-
Look at them. Look at them. Vultures.
This is what you want?
Yeah. Thank you.
Look, this is the nicest they've ever been to each other.
Here, there's one in here.
Hold on, let me grab it.
And I already have one, so I
No,
want it.
boy, let me grab it.
So everything is gone. Basically the entire, yeah, well, except for his meaty mushroom, but
Very meaty mushroom.
yeah, basically the entire platter, just was, yeah, and everything is gone. So,
It
kids,
was a hit.
yeah, it was they're singing the praises of
It was
Hot
a very
Pot.
good
We are
movie.
a Hot Pot, we are a Hot Pot family.
It was very good.
Very good.
But I love you guys, besties. Thank you so much for joining us for dinner for our very first hot pot at home. If you haven't already, head on over to H Mart and grab the hot pot of your choosing, or not. Honestly, you could just do it with your Instant Pot if you have one. All right, I love you, besties. Again, whatever you have going on for tonight, just remember, we're not stressing. Follow me so we can FaceTime every 5 minutes. And oh, I was gonna say Wingardium Levioso, but I don't have my wand. All right, Wingardium Levioso. All right.
I could have.